I'm saying, wake up. Did it come with stickers though? Hell yeah! As you see, man, I'm on this freeway and I'm on my way to the drag strip for the first time. Got the passenger seat out for the extra weight reduction. Yeah, man, I'm excited, man. Never did this before. Hope my car passed tech. Man, I ain't got no helmet, but my car ain't gonna run nothing under 14s, so I know that my car's slow as hell, but I just want to go to the drag strip just because. So I'm hoping they're gonna let me slide through on the tech. I do not know what I'm doing. Oh my God. There's hella cars here. It's kind of getting intense. I'm out here solo and everything. Hey.
You racing?
Yeah.
Okay. $20.
20.
Perfect. This is good for tomorrow too.
Okay.
There you go. You get your check card in this hand.
Okay. Thank you. Well, it's not looking good so far. They're talking about they sold out of tech cards for the day, or they passed their limit, so they gotta see what they can do. Why did they let me in if they knew they was already sold out? That don't make sense. You just took my money. And you're gonna tell me I can't race once I get in the building? That's crazy. I should be able to for sure get my money back. I told them I came to race. They said cool, and then once I get in, now you wanna tell me it's a problem? So I'll keep y'all updated. Well, got the card. Guess we gotta go to lane 7. Check in. If that goes all good, we sending it.
That card? You must have been here a while too.
Yeah.
Because we're sold out now.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Man, boy, I just passed tech. Ain't no lie. If I gotta race my man next to me, I'm about to get filleted. Yeah, that's why. A little turbo Honda just pulled up on me. It's looking ugly. Oh, scar. We about to get filleted if I gotta race that brother.